and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we're going to be creating a really fun and easy milk bath nail design, doing a really fun blue ombre as well. So here I'm gluing on these nail tips. As always, you guys, I will link everything down below for you, and I'm using KDS nail glue for that. And then I'm going in here with my acrylic application. As always, I'm going to be using Gliterbells Hema Free Monomer and my Artisan number 10 Pro Sculptor brush. I'm using this baby blue acrylic from Nail Couture. I really like this acrylic color. I don't love all of his acrylics, but this one I really like, worked very well. It's like a baby blue color. It's really light and pretty, and I think it's going to go great with these milk bath nails. So I'm just building this color up the nail, and as you guys can see, I'm leaving a little bit of area on the nail bed there. We are going to go in with some Milky white to create these beautiful milk bath nails. So I'm just continuing this process throughout all of the nails here. Again, really easy, you guys. And when you're working with colored acrylics, you want to make sure you work a little bit thinner so you leave room to encapsulate the end. So here I'm going in with this beautiful white fine glitter. This is just a fine white glitter, you guys. And I'm going into that wet baby blue color. And I'm applying that fine glitter right into that. And then this nail, I decided I'm going to go with the full blue. I liked it so much, so I decided to go with the full baby blue on this nail. And if there's any patches of color that aren't opaque, you guys can go over that. Here are these beautiful dried up flowers. I got these from Nail Supply Glamour, and they were super inexpensive, you guys. I think $1 or something like that. So that's super affordable. And I am just applying these. Basically, guys, here's a hack for you with dried flowers. I'm using a wet brush to pick it up, and then basically, you guys can see I'm kind of holding it down, and my brush is rather wet, and I'm holding it down that flower just for a few seconds to help it bend and adhere to the nail. And this really helped me adhere the flowers, dried out flowers. So here I'm going in with Milky White. This is by Nail Supply Glamour. Probably one of the better Milky Whites I've worked with. It's not streaky, super buttery. You can build it up to get actually pretty good opacity of Milky White color, or you can do it pretty sheer, and it's really pretty, especially with ombres. So here I'm using a little bit of this at the cuticle area, and I am just feathering it up the nail to blend flawlessly with that baby blue color. Now, since we're doing milk bath nails, you guys, the whole point of this is to kind of have whatever is on your nail look like it's inside a bath of milk. So it's kind of transparent and kind of not. So you want to semi-cover up those flowers but leave some transparent, if that makes sense. Here I'm going in, as always, with the ezflow True Dip Clear Powder. And I am encapsulating all of the nails, you guys. Always encapsulate. Please encapsulate your nails. When you come to finish file, you're just going to file off all your hard work and all of your beautiful design if you do not encapsulate your nails with clear acrylic. So please always encapsulate your nails, you guys. Super important here. And you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. I show you all the tips, tricks, and hacks to get gorgeous salon quality nails, all from the comfort of your home. So I would love it if you would subscribe, like this video, comment below, let me know if you want to see anything else. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. So here I finished clear capping, you guys, and another trick I have for you right here. I know I was confused when I first started how to know when your acrylic is actually dry. So you're going to want to take the back of your acrylic brush or your other nail, and you're going to tap on your nail, and when you hear like a clacking noise, that's how you know when your acrylic is all set and ready to be filed. You do not want to file into acrylic that has not set yet. You're going to run into a lot of problems. So just tap on your nail and you should hear a clacking noise, and that is going to let you know that your acrylic is all set and ready to be filed. So here I am tapering in those sides for my coffin shape, going up and down those side walls, and then here I'm going right around that cuticle area. This is a coarse sanding band here, and I'm sealing in that cuticle area right here by going back and forth around the cuticle. This is to prevent any lifting, a super important step. You can see I'm doing it here, and then to shape the nails, I'm basically going up and down the entirety of the nail with the sanding band, and this is just going to debulk and shape the nails to perfection. And I found this set, you guys, super soothing to look at. I really enjoyed it. Super aesthetically pleasing for me with this baby blue color and then that really gorgeous milky white. I really enjoyed this set. I feel like the set can be worn year round, and I really liked it. So I hope you guys do too. So I'm just finishing up my filing here. And again, you guys, filing should be your best friend if you're a beginner or advanced. It just makes everything look so much more sleek and perfect at the end. So spend a lot of time on filing, you guys. You won't regret it, I promise. It is going to make everything look super sleek and on point when you finish. So here I'm just finishing up my filing. I cleaned all the dust off my nails really well. And then I went in for my bling application. Obviously I applied Builder in a Bottle, Orly Gel FX, went over that uncured with my aimeili No Wipe top coat as always. And then that huge bling piece there, you guys, I got in a huge set of crystals from AliExpress. I think it was $1 something, and it came with a bunch of assorted little bling designs. And then these are super small AB crystals, and I am just sporadically placing them on the nail there. And again, this is all in the uncured gel top coat in that Builder in a Bottle. So I'm just placing this on the nail using my nail tweezers here, super helpful. And I'm just sporadically placing those little AB crystals all over the nails. And I'm really loving the way this is turning out, you guys. These are absolutely gorgeous milk bath nails with tons of bling, of course, and baby blue ombre. I hope you guys enjoyed this set as much as I did. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!